Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Eko Muhammad Rilo Pembudi. I'm from international class, and this video I created for post-test mobile programming. Okay, I will explain about my project. But before that, I will show about the post-test question. Okay. Okay, the question is we need to create a form with field name, phone number, address, payment method, and item. Then create a view to show the form result. Please watch video for further explanation. Design with your creativity. Make a video screen recorder from your post-test running result. Explain each code. Explain from the beginning is needless. Explain when your project is done and ready to be demonstrated. Okay, so I will introduce my project. This project is about vaccine corona, is for you to buy vaccine corona. When I create this project, first I need to add a library, some library like Android material design, and oh sorry, just that. Okay, I just add the material design library. So after I add this, I create layout in activity main. So here you can see I create with the material design principle with coordinate layout. Here for the app bar I was create manually, and here in the styles I make it no action bar, so the action bar not showing in the activity. Then I create manually for showing a background image. Then for the background, to make it be like real, like a showing a 3D, so I add a background for the layout background. Just add the color gray. Then this is created about collapsing toolbar. Then I create the main main content in the nested scroll view. Then I created with a card view with a standard margin, standard card elevation. Then I use a constraint layout because I think constraint layout is easy to use and recommended for me, because the tag in constraint layout are very complete. Then here I make a structure of content with constraint layout. For the text view, edit text. For phone number, I use input type for number, because in phone number text field we just need to field with number. Then for other, I just use text for the input type. For address, it's same with name. But for name, I use a max length 20. And address, I don't use max length. So the user can input anything there. Then in the payment method, I use radio group. So user just only can choose one item here. Then for checkbox, user can choose 1, 2, 3, or 4. It's okay because this checkbox. Okay, my layout is created by CoordinatorLayout. Then uh, I will try to run. Okay, just watch this progress. We will waiting for a minute. We will waiting. I forgot for the main activity. I will explain it after project. Ah, here. This is my reason why I use this coordinate layout, because we can make a beautiful layout with that. Then here we can input our name. Just for 20, and phone number is the address Jalan Ring Road Selatan. Then for the payment method, I think we can choose some payment like ATM card. Then choose vaccine. I will buy vaccine S5 plus and R13 plus. Okay, when done, submit this view. I will push this button. But before push this button, I will explain to you to make it work. For a button, we need to declare here button checkout as a ID for this button. Then set and click listener this. Then when you complete this, declare this, you need to create this one. View on click listener, then make a function for on click. When button click by ID, uh, the ID is button checkout. So the application will uh, process this syntax. Then check empty. Then if all of text field is filled, then the art dialog will call with the success and message with the field was filled. Then we will check out. Success. Here will showing my name, my phone number, my address, my payment method, and what vaccine I choose. To show this, you can declare alert dialog here in line 34 and call it in on condition if form is filled.